Hello friends, my name is S.S. Benchali, Department of Mathematics, Bashveshwar Engineering College, Bagalkot, Karnataka. For any suggestions, please write sbenchali@gmail.com. In this video, I am going to define a gamma function. Usually, it is denoted by using this symbol. We cannot read it as square root. It is gamma of p is equal to integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x raised to p minus 1 dx. So p may be greater than 0. So it means you can take p is equal to any number. For example, I can take p is equal to 2. Then I can find out the value of gamma of 2. So integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power 2 minus 1 means 1 into dx, right? So it is a product of two functions. So I want to verify with the graph. So when we draw the graph of product of these two functions, now I want to observe what I will get. So e to the power minus x. So when we draw the graph of exponential function, I can obtain the graph like this, and it will continue in the similar way along with the x-axis, right? And another function is y is equal to x. You will get a straight line. So area under the curve between the limits 0 to infinity. It means what you will get area like this along with the x-axis. So this is the required area when we are going to evaluate this integral, right? So sometimes I can say that you will get a maximum value of x. How we are going to calculate, right? So I am going to find out e to the power minus x, x to the power p minus 1 prime value, right? So you can differentiate using the product formula. E to the power minus x into derivative of p minus x raised to p minus 1 is p minus 1 into x raised to p minus 2 plus x raised to p minus 1, as it is minus times of e to the power minus x, right? So minus times of e to the power minus x, or e to the power minus x into x to the power p minus 1 is common, right? What is the remaining thing? Minus 1 plus I have already written e to the power minus x, x raised to p minus 1. I can obtain p minus 1 into 1 by x is equal to 0. So is equal to 0 means there are two possibilities: e to the power minus x into x to the power p minus 1 is equal to 0, or minus 1 plus p minus 1 into 1 upon x is equal to 0. But it is an exponential function. It may not be equal to 0. E to the power minus x into x to the power minus 1 is not equal to 0. So therefore minus 1 plus p minus 1 into 1 upon x is equal to 0. So this implies p minus 1 into 1 upon x is equal to 1. So p minus 1 is equal to x. So it means we can say that x is maximum when is equal to p minus 1. Okay, now I want to take another value for p. Say I want to calculate gamma of 3 is equal to, right? So in the definition, I want to replace p by 3. Integration of 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power, so 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 means 2 dx, right? So what I will get, product of these two functions. So you can draw the diagram. This is x-axis, and you can draw the exponential function. You hope you'll get an exponential function like this along with the x-axis. X square means you'll get a parabolic curve. So area under the curve between the limits 0 to infinity, boundaries are x-axis, right? So this is the required area. Is it clear? So when you will get x maximum 2, x maximum is equal to, so p minus 1. Is it clear? What is the value of p? P is 3. 3 minus 1, 2. You will get the maximum at x is equal to 2. So thank you very much for watching this video.